Hi Click Designers, this is Vanessa, and in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can create your own landing page or your own lead capture page using ClickDesigns and a website builder of your choice. Today I am going to be using Groove Pages to create my own landing page, but before we deep dive into the actual process of creating a landing page, I'm just going to show you some examples of landing pages that I have found online. As you can see, a landing page is a destination page that will allow you to capture vital information of your potential leads. You could get their email address, their first and last name, phone number, and you could use this information to reach out to them in the future for any of your products or services. So let's go back to ClickDesigns, and I am going to the template section, and the first thing or the first design that I would need is for a background. So I'm just gonna go here under the backgrounds menu, and to save time I would be using one of the categories here. You could also use a keyword if you want, and I would scroll through the page until I find the template that I can use for my landing page. Alright, let's see, there are a lot of background templates that you could choose. So I'll be using this template here, so I'm just gonna click on the use template, name the design, click on continue. For this image, I'm not gonna change it. Instead, I'm just gonna lower down the opacity, and then I would click on export because I would need the PNG format of this design downloaded into my local drive. And then once the download is complete, I'm just gonna click the save button to make sure it gets saved into my ClickDesigns account, and then I would exit from the editor. This time I'm gonna go back to the templates tab because I would be needing my own logo. So again, let's go here to this section or to this tab, and this time I would be choosing the logo submenu. Again, to save time, I would select a category here, the same category that I've used in the background, and let's see what I could use. I like this template here, so I'm just gonna select that, name the design, click on continue. Alright, now this is perhaps one of the most amazing things about the templates in ClickDesigns. All of the design elements in the template that you would select, they are 100% fully customizable. And when I say customizable, I mean this. So I'm gonna start with this icon here. As you could see, I could actually go into each layer of this particular icon and customize the color of these layers. So I'm just gonna make sure that they are consistent, and this is the theme or the color that I would want. Next, for the text layer, I would just update the content. You also have different text options to choose from. I think I like this in bold, and then I would change the color or the font color to a solid black. Now for the second layer, let's delete this second word. And then to resize a particular text layer or design element in your canvas, you could just drag it. And then the same with the background, I would need the PNG, so I'm just gonna download that. And let's click the save logo button here. Once the saving is complete, let's exit from the editor. And as you can see, I was able to create my own background and my own logo. So this time, I would be needing a monitor mockup. So it's almost the same process. Go to the templates tab or the template section, select the mockups here, go to monitors, and again, look for a template that you could use for your design. With ClickDesigns, you will never run out of design ideas. As you can see, there are a lot of templates that you could actually just click and use in your design. So in this example, I would be using this. So let's do that. Alright, let's start designing. I'm gonna be updating this text layer here. Alright, I would go back to the images section, and remember that I have created a logo earlier, so I'm just gonna import that to this new design. And yes, in just a matter of a few clicks, you are able to use your existing design to your new design. So either you import the file, or you could go here under the My Designs. Make sure you are on the My Designs tab, and from here you would see all of the designs that you have created in your account, and you could just click them and use them in your new canvas or in your new design. So I'm just gonna preview. The preview button here, it will allow you to see how the design would look like right after you complete it. So I suggest you click on preview first before saving. Then once complete, again, I would need the PNG format of this mockup, and then click on save. Let's exit from the editor once more. And for the last one, I would be needing a phone mockup. So let's go back to the template section. Right. Now, I like this particular template. As you can see, this is for a different niche, but don't worry, because with ClickDesigns, it's super easy for you to customize any template that you would need or that you would use for your design. So I'm gonna show you exactly how. I'm gonna start designing. So go to the My Designs, and I would be using the logo that I created earlier, but this time I would crop the logo or the image so that the icon is the only thing that's visible, and I'm gonna put it here. Then I would update this text layer here, this text layer as well. And this image here, I would delete that. I would go to the image section and look for a stock image related to business. Again, you could just use a keyword to save time. Aside from the different image filters, you could also snip it like that. Click on save and exit, and again, I would be downloading the PNG file or format. Click on save to make sure that it gets saved into my ClickDesigns account. And then let's exit from the editor. And before I move on to the next part, I want to show you how amazing this is. So in a matter of few minutes, I was able to create my own background, my own logo, my own monitor mockup, and my own phone mockup. So on the next part, I will be showing you how I am going to put all of these graphics online without any help from a graphic designer, coders, or developers. Now this is the landing page that I have created. I updated this logo, this monitor mockup, as well as this background, and all of these graphics that I have here, I created them from ClickDesigns. So as you could see, there's no need for a graphic designer, coders, or developers to make these graphics live. Again, you could just make them in ClickDesigns and put them in a site builder, and you would have your landing page literally in minutes. Hit the subscribe and the like button to get updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!